Hey guys! Today we're going to take a look at this Bosch D-tect 120. I got it for quite cheap since, as you can see, not only is it in pieces, but the screen ribbon is also ripped. The seller claimed that he received it like this, so let's get to it. I'm going to start by fixing the ribbon. Once that's done, we can try and put it back together, making sure to plug the ribbons into the correct connectors. And with that done, we are ready to plug the battery in. And as you can see, it does turn on. Unfortunately, we're getting a constant reading. During further tests, I found that it does in fact detect live wires and studs. So let's open it up and try and find what's causing this. I have noticed some soldering attempts, so I cleaned it up. I also found that one part of the sensor was damaged by someone who tried to resolder it, and this cannot easily be fixed. I still tried to create some contact to see if we could get some different results. Since that did not work, I also removed the sensor entirely, and as you can see, we still get the same reading. Unfortunately, I will not be able to fix this today, as not only is the sensor damaged, but the software seems to be stuck. If you have any ideas on how to bring it back to life, let me know down in the comments. And consider subscribing if you enjoyed.